everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we're going to make another DIY vlog again as usual. So with this is the featured DIY that I made for my mom. So let's get
I cut the extension of the armhole larger at the end. Then double hem again the raw edges. After that, make a loose stitch and sew it straight 2 centimeters away from the edge line. Then pull out 1 string of the thread to make it gather. Pin it now when you already gather all into your desired fitting. Then sew it now. Next is attaching now the sleeves. I cut it first to my desired length, which is 8.5 inches. And then, let's make some gather at the upper part of the sleeves to fit in the armhole of the top. And pin it to the armhole. And then sew it. Double hem the edges of the sleeves. Then using elastic thread through the bobbin, sew it to centimeters away from the edge seam. And I made some ribbon tie for the sleeves from the excess fabric. And attach it to the sleeves. And to finish the top, I sew the half of the top starting the waistline downwards with elastic thread, but the back side only. And here's the outcome without the front elastic thread. But then my mom wanted a full, so we're back again at the machine to make it a full smockage using an elastic thread.
And that's all for today's DIY video. Thank you for watching. Let's now see the final transformation.